Alright guys, so we're redoing the bathroom.
You know what? This bathroom right now is so infuriating. Ah!
Austin, that wasn't the wall we were gonna take out.
Take the hammer. What is wrong with me? Nolan, why'd you hit that wall?
You just handed me the hammer.
No, you saw it. It was all him, guys. Oh man! There's a lot of dust flying around in here. Nolan, there's a lot of dust. Why are you not wearing glasses in this room?
Fine. Happy?
No, what?
Hey, is my palm ready for the duck?
Oh my.
What the heck is
Wait.
wrong?
Aren't you guys making a pond? My duck really lonely. He wants to have some more duckies come in. Oh, wait, easy.
Boys, fly away.
Easy. There's 2 sheets in there.
Huh?
There's 2 sheets in there. Did you go back in far enough?
I don't know, because I didn't want to hit the drywall, or the...
It don't matter.
plywood.
How far deep though?
I went in, yeah.
Yeah, you should be up to here.
Really?
Yeah, because there's 2 sheets there.
Yeah, Nolan, come on.
Shut up. Whenever you're just mad at work or something...
Can't get into plumbing.
Then you rip it. Oh, jeez.
Don't fall.
There was a
Whoa.
pipe there.
We got a pipe.
There's the problem. It's upside down. It should be at the bottom of the...
Ladies and gentlemen, I am just so infuriated!
Ow!
I made it then! You didn't do anything! I did! That hurts.
Yes, right there.
Beat that!
He made a hole. There's the hole.
Can we call
I might
it
have broken 2 fingers with that. Alright guys, we're just undoing this whole back wall. The drywall has to be replaced. Here, take that.
I'm the health inspector. Oh, what's that? I see something down in there.
Oh! Dude, that's like a...
What?
What is that?
Whoa. Let me see that.
It's 1/1/1917. It says time capsule.
Oh!
Oh! We're rich! We're rich!
Whoa! Don't get too excited.
Jumping for joy!
Give me the money, you take the box.
You take the box, I'm taking the money! Woo!
Austin, make it rain.
Guys, I'm buying lunch!
Alright,
Oh.
thank you. Throw all the stuff away in the garbage can. It says year 2001.
The bill.
Yeah. And this says what?
19 something.
1917?
Something don't drive right here.
This is wild. We just found another room to our
this is
house.
right over here.
Whoa. There's a whole nother room. Look, there's a kid in there. Georgie, is that you? Georgie.
We've discovered Georgie!
Wait,
Georgie, do you want to play? You want a balloon, Georgie? I got a balloon for you, Georgie.
Stage here removing this drywall
guys,
here.
watch this.
Oh!
Okay.
What did you do? Did you just headbutt the wall?
Ow.
Idiot. Not even.
Dude, that's a huge mark.
Oh, man.
That's bigger than Austin.
You're gonna have a concussion.
That was better than I had if I punched it. That hurt.
Alright guys,
Is this a guy or
this is Jimmy.
It's a girl? Because it looks
Oh,
like
I'm not sure, but it looks like...
it looks like he's peeing.
Yeah, look, his eyes fell out, his hat fell off. Let's just rip through his arms.
Here, let me help him.
You're gonna help him? What's wrong with him?
I'm going to treat him well.
As long as you're gonna make him feel better. What? No! Can you see me, Jimmy? Can you see me with your eyeball?
Rest in peace.
What are we doing, Nolan?
What?
What are we doing?
We're shopping.
For what?
For tub.
Is this the fun place to ride carts?
Stop being so immature, guys. Let me get on too.
See you, Austin.
It's the lumber area.
These are the stakes that you buy for vampires.
No.
Long.
Kayla, it's attached to that. Hop on. We got a full load.
We need a full load just for some nails.
What you gotta do?
Uncle John's got to go to the bathroom, guys.
Hey, got any toilet paper?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Guys, welcome to the kitchen. Come over here. We're making some paper today. You too?
Yeah, what?
It's on the menu, guys. Paper.
Paper.
All the way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yum, delicious.
Gotta love
That's
it.
so good.
Oh yeah. You look good. You look really good. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What the heck is he doing?
You know showers.
Finding the product. That's what we need.
Something like that.
Honestly,
Kaylee?
I'm videoing you.
You're on the vlog.
And so is my freaking phone, man. Like and subscribe.
The back wall was in 2 sections.
What are the attics at? 2 sheets all the way around, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it wasn't a full sheet, and then it was like that much, and then like that much.
Gotta build that all out somehow. What's your problem, kid?
Don't screw with me.
A homemade potato launcher.
Oh yeah.
Exit sign. Take it out.
Or is that a cigar?
That's one big cigar.
All right, let's use the stilts. Hey, at the pope, we're falling down.
Guys, I'm really gonna take a crap. Oh no.
Get up here. Hurry! Hurry!
Guys, rock, climbing. I need friends.
I'm calling your mother.
Yeah, Nolan's messing around. Don't give out her information.
Jeez, someone's gonna
Guys,
kill
everyone call her and then prank her.
This is when you go to Little Burrow and you get a duck and you step on its head and it's crumpled.
We don't need to bring that up.
Oh, Nolan. Nolan, you gotta try this chair. It's so comfortable.
Try the chair.
Yeah. No.
No, I don't like it.
Welcome to my house.
Awesome.
No. You're the
All right.
grandpa. He's the son. I'm the mom.
What am I?